VidCruiter Hiring Automation Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume applicant tracking systems just collect resumes, but VidCruiter automates the entire recruitment process with efficiency and compliance in mind. VidCruiter offers video interviews, AI-assisted screening, scheduling, and onboarding tools. One standout feature is its automated video interviewing, which allows candidates to record responses anytime, reducing scheduling conflicts and speeding up the hiring process. Most people assume automation sacrifices personalization. The surprising truth is VidCruiter integrates structured scoring, notes, and feedback loops so recruiters can evaluate candidates consistently while maintaining a personal touch. Another advantage is compliance and analytics. The platform tracks EEO data, supports GDPR and other legal requirements, and provides insights on time to hire, source effectiveness, and candidate quality. However, setup and integration can be complex, particularly for organizations new to ATS systems. There is also a subscription cost, which may be higher for small businesses. In conclusion, VidCruiter is ideal for companies seeking efficient, compliant, and data-driven hiring automation, but proper onboarding and training are crucial to maximize its value. Subscribe for more honest reviews of hiring and HR automation tools.